If you can't hear other person voice when they call you on your Samsung device, then let us see some of the ways by which we can try to fix the issue. And the first thing that you will do is you will just press this volume button in order to increase the volume to check if you can hear the other person's voice. The next thing that you will do is you will restart your phone, and after that you will again receive the call to check if you can hear the other person's voice now or not. Now the other thing that you will do is, if you are using a phone case like this one, just remove the phone case and check if the problem is caused because of the phone case. If you are not using the correct case for the phone, then might be the speaker is blocked by the phone case, due to which you can't hear the other person's voice. After that, the other thing that you will do is you will simply pull down the screen to open this control center, and if you have enabled Bluetooth, disable the Bluetooth to check if you can hear the other person's voice. Sometimes what might happen is, maybe your device is connected to a Bluetooth speaker or a Bluetooth headset, and when you enable the Bluetooth in your phone, then your phone will be automatically connected to the Bluetooth headset, due to which you can't hear the voice in your phone. After that, what you can do is you can use a earphone. Just use the earphone to check if you can hear the sound with the help of earphone or not. Now in case if you can hear the sound with the help of earphone, but you can't hear the sound from the phone's speaker, then what might have happened is your phone might have stuck in earphone mode. So in that case, what you need to do is, if you see here, there is a jack in order to insert the microphone. So what you do is you use a small needle or a toothpick and put it inside this hole, and you have to gently move in circles. So what happens is, if there are dirt collected inside this hole, then it will be removed. But remember to move the toothpick or to move the sharp needle slowly, so that anything inside this jack won't be damaged. So once you have cleaned the dirt inside this hole, try to check if you can hear the sound now from the phone or not. So this is useful in case if you can hear the sound from the earphone but not from the phone's speaker. The other thing that you can do after this one is you can also update the phone's software. Might be there is a problem with the phone software. So what you do is go ahead and open the settings icon here, go to this option software update, select this option download and install. Now your phone will check if there is an update for the software or not. If yes, then you can install the update and check if you can fix the issue or not. The other thing that you can do after this one is you can go to settings. You can go to this option general management, go to this option reset, select this option reset settings. So once you reset the settings, then what happens is everything in your phone will be reset to default settings. Anything you have customized, like wallpaper, or if you have customized an application to open a certain kind of file like that, everything will be restored to the default settings. No data will be deleted. So do this one and check if you can hear the sound from the phone's speaker or not. Now the last thing that you can do is again go to this settings, go to this option general management, go to reset and select this option factory data reset. So what this will do is this will delete everything that is present in the phone, and your phone will return to the factory state where nothing was installed and no documents were saved in the phone. So if you want to back up your phone before that one, back up the phone and then do a factory reset. So do all of these things and check if you can hear the other person's voice or not when they call. If nothing fixes the issue, then you have to take your phone to a technician in order to repair it. Might be the speaker of your phone is damaged. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.